We're to swear in our new trustees. I state your name.
Jody Casillas.
Emil Sculfane. Melissa Gadesky Rodriguez.
Do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly
Together.
swear. Do solemnly swear.
I will support the Constitution of the United States.
That I will support the Constitution of the United States.
And the Constitution of the State of New Jersey.
And the Constitution of the State of New Jersey.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance.
To the same and to the governments established.
To the same and to the governments established.
In the United States and this state.
In the United States and this state.
Under the authority of the people, so help me God.
Under the authority of the people, so help me God.
I state your name.
Jody
I,
Casillas.
Pamela Sculfane. Melissa Gadesky Rodriguez.
Do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly swear.
That I possess the qualifications.
That I possess the qualifications.
Prescribed by law for the office of a member of the Board of Education.
Prescribed by law for the office of member of a Board of Education.
And that I am not disqualified as a voter.
And that I am not disqualified as a voter.
Pursuant to RS 1941.
Pursuant to RS 1941.
Nor disqualified.
Nor disqualified.
Due to a conviction of a crime or offense.
Due to a conviction of a crime or offense.
Listed in NJS 18A-12-1.
Listed in NJS 18A 12-1.
And that I will faithfully.
And that I will faithfully.
Impartially and justly.
Impartially and justly.
Perform all the duties of that office.
Perform all the duties of that office.
According to the best of my ability.
According to the best of my ability.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank
just going to
you.
sign those as soon as I grab a pen.
It's like a tongue twister.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I'll open up the open workshop. It is 6:08. I'll take a roll call. Trustee Burke is virtual. Trustee Casillas. Trustee Egan.
Here.
Trustee Gadesky Rodriguez.
Here.
Trustee Munoz. Here. Trustee Sculfane.
Here.
Trustee Milano.
Here.
And Trustee Wilbur.
Here.
Good. Folks, I'm going to ask you, we're going to go through the agenda real quick, just so I can get signatures. Approval of minutes, the notice of the organizational meeting, a letter from the county on the election results, and there's an election, there's a letter for the board that I was asked to put on communication. Who would like to move communication?
I'll move.
Trustee Egan. Who would like to second?
I'll second.
Trustee Gallardo. Okay, then you'll see for our election of president, we'll do that first. We'll open up nominations. Please bear with me with the Roberts rules. Then we will move on to vice president. Okay? Going into the consent agenda, you've all had this. The only new resolution is 814. Staff to attend workshop. There's a administrators meeting that our administrators are going to. You'll see the resolution A14. I moved the resolution to non-consent because of a conflict with Trustee Sculfane. And that is about all. Any questions on the resolution? Okay, if not, I'll point out our ethics training resolution. Ms. Marianne Friedman will be attending our January and our February meeting. So we'll have all our ethics training updated with that. I also gave you just a reminder of your board responsibilities, just a quick 12-month cheat sheet that'll keep everybody informed on what you need to do and where you need to be in that time of year. Anything else? Who would like to move the agenda?
I'll move it.
I'm sorry, Maria, thank you. And who would like to second?
I'll second.
So we have Maria and we have Pam. And then on the non-consent, trustee Egan and trustee Wilbur. Okay, so we've got all our moves and our seconds. And when we break, we'll talk about the election for president and vice president. You can give me an idea where we're leaning.
I have a question about when are we filling the appointments to like the board?
So you'll see in front of you, you'll have a packet. Today at 1 o'clock was the deadline.
No, I'm sorry, that's wrong. I meant the Hudson County delegate for the school boards, the state delegate.
Are we?
Because we usually do that in the workshop.
Yes. So if you had any volunteers, we can go back to first. We have the New Jersey School Board Association. I don't know if you want any.
Is this county or state?
This one is the state.
I'll do it.
So we'll have Maria, and we need an alternate.
Anybody want to be an alternate?
Melissa?
If I think we're moving the two. There's only one meeting.
Now the county's the monthly, that's the.
County is the monthly, guys.
Or quarterly.
But actually, county, let me let you know, I was doing the county, I would go even though I wasn't the assigned, and they were all virtual, that's why I was doing it.
Yeah.
Okay, so same thing with county. Who wants to be the primary trustee?
Counties, they're different days, they're mostly at night though, like at 7 on different days.
I'll do it.
Okay,
I'll do it, Chris.
And Jan, you'll be an alternate?
Jody?
I think All right, I'll be his alternate. I'll be his alternate.
Jan's gonna take the lead.
Unless Jody, do you want to do it otherwise?
She said, no, I'm good, thanks.
Sure. You want?
Chris, thank you for that reminder.
They were all virtual this year.
Yeah, I know.
Any other
You know what,
business
when I
for the
did it-
board?
When I did the one year, they were all in person.
I'm moving it to
Superintendent,
the-
anything for the board? John, anything for? Okay. All right, so we're gonna adjourn. It is 6:13, and we will reconvene at 7 o'clock in the auditorium for the public meeting.